Have you ever felt stuck in life, like you're just going through the motions but not really sure who you are anymore? Yeah, we've all been there, but here's the truth. You can't build a successful, wealthy, or even happy life if you don't understand yourself first. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 simple and powerful journal prompts that will help you get to know yourself fast, so you can start making wiser choices and stop wasting time. Let's get into it, and hey, stick around till the end. Prompt number 3 might just reveal something you've been avoiding. What moments made me feel truly alive? Not just happy, not just okay, but fully alive, like time stood still and nothing else mattered. This question helps you reconnect with what lights you up, your passions, your flow. Because when you know what fuels you, decisions become clear. Quick tip, don't overthink it. Even small memories count. Remember that time you randomly danced in your kitchen at 2 a.m.? Yeah, that counts. But what do I need more of and less of right now? This prompt is about your current season. You're not the same person you were last year. So ask yourself, what's giving me energy and what's quietly draining me? This clarity helps you cut the noise and focus only on what matters. Try writing this as a T-chart. It's simple. More. Sleep. Real friends. Quiet mornings. Less. Doom scrolling, people-pleasing, microwave burritos. Okay, maybe keep the burritos. What am I avoiding and why? Oof, this one stings. But this is where real self-awareness begins. Maybe it's a hard conversation, a bold goal, or just looking in the mirror. The things we avoid often control us the most, right? Honestly. No one else is reading this but you. And sometimes what you're avoiding isn't even fear. It's greatness. So to recap, what makes you feel alive? What do you need more and less of? What are you avoiding and why? Simple questions, deep answers. Start with just one tonight. Give yourself 5 minutes. You might unlock something big. If this gave you clarity, drop a thought balloon emoji in the comments and hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you design a smarter, more successful life. But don't stop here. Click over to this next video, the 7-second rule to stop procrastination. Try this today. It's short, fast, and might just change the way you get things done starting today. See you there.